IBMasters.com. Today we're looking at the ninth question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1, number 9 reads, at how many points do the graphs in the given equations intersect the xy plane? If you know linear equations, then this is a 5-second question. Why? Because whenever you've got the same slope, it's 2 here, slope is always attached to x, and y equals mx plus b, it's your m. And you have different y-intercept, which is your b, then you always have no intersection. Correct answer is going to be A. Now, if you didn't know that, or you can't remember that for the test, if you just plug them both into Desmos, it's going to give you the answer. Because check it out, the lines look parallel. Now you might be saying, hey, what if there's a slight tilt and they intersect at one point? If you zoom out until the point, and they look parallel the whole entire time, until the point that they merge at one line, then you could trust that they are, in fact, parallel. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with linear equations, systems of equations, doesn't know that they can use Desmos here, doesn't know that parallel lines have the same slope, different y-intercepts. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that bell button. And check out our 1-minute videos. If you go to YouTube, IBMasters Learning Center, and then the short videos, once you find the test and section number for this, it's test 3, module 1, the shorter videos just below these long videos. Have a great day.